Hello, I'm Chintalagiri Shashank. I've been working on various Industry 4.0 projects with IIT Kanpur for the last few years, and it's a privilege to be asked to speak on the subject here at the G20 seminar at Panjab University. As you probably know, the industrial world has been undergoing a transition for the last few years. Such transitions are not new, they have happened in the past. However, this is probably the first time that India is in a position to add its own flavor to the new methods and protocols being developed. This is exemplified, for example, by India's position in the G20 and the fact that we're hosting this event here today. In this talk, I'd like to talk about what Industry 4.0 means in the Indian context. What are the benefits and challenges of adopting Industry 4.0 methods and practices at industrial units, not just the large-scale ones, but also the medium, small, and micro-scale units. We'll do this by talking about some broad examples of Industry 4.0 deployments. We'll talk about what the actual goals of these methods are, beyond just the hype and the buzzwords. And we will hopefully lay out the skills that students and researchers need to be developing today to participate in this transition and what comes after.